In this video, I'm going to show you how to make origami dice. I made printable papercraft templates that you can find on my new site, origamicubes.com. It's very easy to make origami dice without tape or glue. Just pick the colors you like and print the template on copy paper, A4 or letter size. With just one page, you can make 4 origami dice. This origami model is an original model that I created. You will not find it anywhere else, so don't forget to subscribe for more easy and fun origami models. The first step is to cut the square along the printed template. Once you have carefully cut the template, put the printed side on the bottom and then fold this edge to this edge. Mark the fold, unfold and fold this edge to the center. Mark the fold, unfold and fold the other edge to the center. Mark the fold. Then unfold and fold this edge to this crease line. Then mark the fold, unfold and fold this edge to this crease line here. Then mark the fold, then unfold and fold this edge to this crease. Mark the fold, unfold and one last fold this edge to this crease. And unfold. Then turn the paper to the other side. So we have our 4 cubes and we are going to cut strips of paper like this. So to do that, you can turn the paper to the other side and then fold in 2 horizontally. And you can use a cutter like this one to cut. Then fold again. Try to make very neat folds, very precise folds, so that it's easier to fold the cube afterwards. And then one last fold. And we have our 2 strips of paper. And with those 2 strips, we can make 1 cube. We are going to fold the 2 strips of paper into 2 modules, and we'll first start with this one. And there is a 1 diagonal here, and we'll fold along this diagonal, but on the other side of the paper. So turn the paper to this side, and then fold along the diagonal, like this. Then leave the model, and we are going to put this like this, and on top of this triangle here we'll put this square like this. And then once the square is on top of the triangle, we will fold this over, like this, and then put this inside. And then pinch here. So our first module is complete. So just leave it here. And we are going to do the same thing with the other strips of paper. So turn the module with the colored side on the bottom, and then fold along this diagonal. Then lift the module, fold this back, and we have our triangle here, and we'll put this square on top of the triangle, like this. Then fold this over, and take this flap and put it inside, and then pinch here. And our second module is done, and we are going to turn it that way. So you have the two face up, and we'll open it a little bit. So hold it with two fingers, hold the one side with two fingers, and then gently pull so that you can open the model. And now we'll take this module, and we will insert it into the first module, like this. So it's a little bit difficult at first, but your second cube, it will be easier. So once it's inside, you can just gently continue to push it. Like this. And then, once it's like this, we just need to close this back. So you can just gently push so that this goes back inside. And your origami dice is complete.
I hope you like those printable origami dice. Let me know in the comments which origami model you would like in the next video. If you hold this origami dice or any of my origami models, please send me some pictures so that I can show them in the next videos. Awesome picture. Thank you for Kan. Merci beaucoup pour ces cubes infinis, Anouk. Arigato gozaimasu, Lona non-chan. Totemo kawaii desu. Thank you very much for all the cubes and for the sailboat, Jen Leslie. Arigato gozaimasu, Tsumogi-san. Muchas gracias a tus alumnos, Luz Adriana. Thank you for the cube picture, Rajesh. Magnifique fleur, merci Zifang. Arigato gozaimasu, Kamiso-san. Cool pyramids. Thank you Shubham. Lovely boat and wave. Thank you Arkit. Fantastic cat. Thank you Fabian. Beautiful sailboat. Thank you Adi Ayan. Fantastic view and picture. Thank you Richard. Cool boat. Thank you Chen. Linda Bandera. Muito obrigado Carla. Please continue to send me origami pictures. Thank you very much, and happy folding!